Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change your Facebook password on your Windows or on your mobile phone. The process is just the same. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Now this is for your Windows. Now for your mobile phone, just need to directly open the Facebook app. And here we need to type facebook.com, hit enter. And here in your Facebook homepage, you will find this profile icon, which is the account icon. Click on that. And here you'll find settings and privacy. The same thing for on your mobile phone. You just need to simply click on the account name or account icon and then choose settings and privacy. Now here you'll find settings. Click on that. And here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find password and security, the one with the shield symbol. Click on that. And here you'll find under account settings, password and security again. You have to click on that again. And here you'll find the login and recovery. You have the option change password. Click on that. Click on this arrow to proceed. And here you just need to type your current password. So let me just quickly type my current password. And let me type my new password. You can also uncheck this box, log out of other devices. So you must be still logged in into other devices. Click on change password. And that's it. You have just changed your Facebook password for your account on your Facebook. You can also click on the save button from here on your Windows and make sure that you remember your new password for your Facebook account. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.